Hello and welcome to the channel. This is how to get into e-commerce in 2023. Getting into e-commerce requires careful planning and execution. Here are the key steps to help you get started. Identify your product or niche. Decide on the type of products you want to sell. Consider your interests, market demand, competition, and profit potential. Conduct market research to identify gaps or untapped opportunities within your chosen niche. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target audience, marketing strategies, budget, and operational details. A well-thought-out plan will guide your actions and help you stay focused. Choose an e-commerce platform. Select a suitable e-commerce platform to build and manage your online store. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Evaluate their features, pricing, ease of use, and customization options before making a decision. Source or create products. Determine how you will source or create your products. You can consider manufacturing your own products, partnering with suppliers or manufacturers, dropshipping, or utilizing print-on-demand services. Ensure that your products align with your target audience's preferences and meet quality standards. Set up your online store. Customize your online store by selecting an appealing design, optimizing product listings, and configuring payment and shipping options. Pay attention to user experience and ensure your store is mobile-friendly for customers using smartphones and tablets. Establish branding and marketing. Build a strong brand identity by creating a memorable logo, developing compelling product descriptions, and using consistent visual elements across your website and marketing materials. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers through channels such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. Secure reliable suppliers and shipping partners. Establish relationships with trustworthy suppliers or manufacturers who can consistently provide quality products. Additionally, choose reliable shipping partners or fulfillment centers to ensure timely and efficient delivery of orders to your customers. Implement secure payment processing. Set up secure payment gateways to process customer transactions. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, or integrating with a third-party payment processor. Ensure that your website and customer data are protected with SSL certificates and other security measures. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on delivering exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to customer inquiries. Address concerns or issues promptly, and strive to exceed customer expectations. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly impact your e-commerce success. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated on e-commerce trends, consumer behavior, and industry developments. Regularly analyze your website metrics, sales data, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies. Remember that starting an e-commerce business requires effort, dedication, and perseverance. It may take time to generate significant profits, so be prepared for challenges along the way. Seek advice from experienced e-commerce entrepreneurs, join relevant communities or forums, and keep learning and adapting your approach as you gain experience in the industry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.